Well, there she is, all shiny and new. Hey guys, check out some Mopar. Welcome. It's gonna be a shorty. Get the CUDA all serviced up because we're going to Bowling Green tomorrow. A lot of the usual suspects in my group are going. One guy just dropped out today, unfortunately. That's too bad. Young guy. So yeah, I serviced the CUDA. I hadn't lashed the valves in a couple years, and they were pretty good. There was a couple looser ones, but yep, she's ready to go. Hopefully no breakdowns. So you see us down there, you see me with the CUDA, stop by maybe. Bowling Green, Kentucky, Holly, Moparty. It'll be a good time. We'll be there Friday, Saturday, heading back on Sunday. Spinning around. Yeah, hope to see you there. I'll give you a sticker. I got a couple left. All right, thanks. See ya.